Good afternoon, students. This is botany class. In the previous class, we have discussed about taxonomic categories of plant kingdom. In the plant kingdom, the similar characters are gradually decreased from lower to higher. Now coming to today's topic is taxonomic aids. Taxonomic aids అంటే వర్గీకరణ సహాయకాలు. The taxonomic aids are given below. Those are herbarium and botanical gardens, museums, key and flora, manuals, monographs and catalogs. Now we see first one, herbarium. Can you know about herbarium? What is herbarium? Which is helps to easy to identification of plant, and which is helps to quick references of plant. Herbarium with consist regional name and biological name, and particularly where we have collected the particular place of plant. Okay, in the herbarium sheet the plants are arranged by evolutionary arrangement in the herbarium. The largest herbarium is located in England at Kew, the Royal Botanical Garden, which is located in England at Kew. The digital herbarium. Now coming to digital herbarium, that is one type of digital herbarium in present days. In the digital herbarium has digital photography, analogs and or online pictures, flower pictures or plant pictures will be present in the preserved in the digital herbarium. Now coming to botanical gardens. Botanical gardens are two types. One is ex situ preservation and the second one is in situ preservation. What is an ex situ preservation? Ex situ preservation of plants away from the natural habitat. Ex situ preservation means away from the natural habitat, which is best example to botanical gardens. In situ means wherever the plants are, living plants are particular places, they are living in particular places, that is known as in situ preservation. The three largest botanical gardens are given below. Those are Indian Botanical Garden at Howrah in Calcutta, National Botanical Garden at Lucknow in India, Royal Botanical Garden at Kew in England. Now coming to museums. Do you know about museums? Museums are located at schools and colleges, school labs or colleges labs. In the museums we have to see specimens and slides are there in the museums. Do you know about specimens? These are looking like containers, glass containers. One glass container, it has filled with formalin, and one dry plant or dry animal put in the container and filled with airtight lid. Okay, for example herbarium, which is one biofilm one bryophyllum leaf. We have take one bryophyllum leaf. Those are epiphyll buds. The leaf put into specimen. Which is easy to identification of plant or animal. Now coming to key is which is also helps to identification of plants or animals, which is also helps to identification of plants and classification of plants. Now coming to couplet, the similar characters or dissimilar characters in the key of similar characters and dissimilar characters are rejectable or acceptable, that is known as couplet. Okay, in the key of similar characters or dissimilar characters, particular known as couplet. Now coming to lead. Flora, each flora statement consists known as lead. Do you know about flora? What is flora? Flora means it consists different type of natural habitat, particular place or region, distributed particular region, that is known as flora. Each flora statement known as lead. Okay, different type of plants. They distributed in particular area or region known as flora. Now coming to manuals. Do you know about manuals? Manuals means small books for quick references. Which are small books for quick reference of plant classification. Now coming to monograph. Monographs ante enti? Which consist information on one taxonomy. Which consist information on one information of taxonomy. And catalogs also, which are also helps to easy to identification of plants, easy to identification of classification of plants or animals. Those are the overall taxonomic aids which are helps to easy identification of plants or animals. This chapter is over, which is important. One is flora. Please remember, students, need to remember flora and couplet lead, which are these are getting from this chapter in 2 marks questions. Okay, thank you students.